Christmas is not only about decorating our homes, it is about creating beautiful memories, spending time with family, sharing kindness, and feeling every corner with happiness. And even the smallest handmade decoration can make a home feel warm and full of love. Now let's enjoy these amazing Christmas ideas together. Look at these beautiful designs. It is simple, elegant, and full of holiday charm. You don't always need expensive decorations to make your home look magical. Sometimes the most beautiful decorations are the ones made with creativity, love, and imagination. Now look at this one. The colors work perfectly together, and the soft lights, natural wood, ribbons, pine cones, and little Christmas details create peaceful winter feeling. Every decoration tells its own little story. Like, here comes another lovely idea, and this design is perfect if you enjoy a cozy farmhouse style. Natural materials like wood, twine, and greenery never go out of fashion. They make Christmas decorations look warm, timeless, and welcoming. Now let's zoom in and enjoy the tiny details. Every small decoration adds something special. The careful arrangement, beautiful textures, and festive colors make everything look even more magical. Look at the contrast, the brightness, and the beautiful finishing. Small details can completely change the look of a decoration. That's why handmade ideas always feel unique and personal. This next decoration is absolutely wonderful. It proves that creativity has no limits. With a little inspiration, ordinary materials can become something beautiful for your home. Christmas is not about making everything perfect. It is about enjoying the creative process. Every handmade project carries your own personal touch, and that is what makes it special. Now take a look at this beautiful ornament. It can decorate your Christmas tree, your front door, your table, or even become a lovely handmade gift for someone you care about. Handmade gifts are always filled with love because they come from the heart. And here comes another creative design. Is not it beautiful? Every color matches perfectly, creating a peaceful holiday atmosphere. And red, soft, and greens, white, gold, and natural wood colors always bring the Christmas spirit to life. And sometimes people think they need to buy expensive decorations, but creativity is much more valuable than money. A simple ideal combined with patience and love can become something truly beautiful. Now enjoy this next decoration. Imagine it displayed in your living room, dining table, fireplace, or entryway. Even a small Christmas decoration can make the whole room feel warm and joyful. Christmas reminds us to slow down, smile more, appreciate our loved ones, and enjoy simple moments together. Decorations are beautiful, but the happiness memories are made with the people we love. Look at this amazing craft. Every little piece has been placed so carefully, it's shown how much beauty can come from patience and creativity. Now let's continue with another wonderful idea. Every image's today's collection brings a different style. Like some are modern, some are rustic, some are elegant, and some are cute and playful. No matter your decorating style, there is always something to inspire you. And if you enjoy decorating your home every holiday season, I hope these ideas give you fresh inspiration for this Christmas. You can even mix different styles and create something completely unique. Now look closely at this design. The balance of colors, textures, and decorations make everything look so relaxing. Christmas decorations are not only beautiful, they also create feelings of comfort, peace, and happiness. Every Christmas season gives us a chance to create new traditions, maybe decorating the tree together, making ornaments, sharing hot chocolate, watching Christmas movies, and simply spending quiet time with family. Thank you so much for watching my video, supporting my channel, and leaving kind comment and sharing your wonderful thoughts. Even if I cannot reply to every comment because there are so many, please know that I read many of them, and I truly appreciate every single one. Your support means so much to me and encourages me to keep creating new videos for you. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in my next Christmas inspiration video. Happy Christmas and goodbye. And let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. Thank you so much. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.